this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can inject SIM card to your Honor Magic7 Lite version of cellular phone. So here we go. At the bottom we have SIM tray. We need a SIM injector tool. The phone comes with a SIM injector tool. Here we go. You see here this one in the pack. I'm using my one, the same. So at the bottom, in this case, put the pin inside and you have to put a soft pressure. Here we go. It will come out. We take this off. Lovely. SIM tray, we can see. You can use dual SIM in this. Wow, this is cool. So this is one SIM from Spain. Put here. Have to match here the corner. Put inside. Perfect. The SIM card. Perfect. Also, I think you could have a eSIM option, but better to have a physical SIM tray always. Here we go. We put inside. Put a pressure. The network at the top is up here. That means SIM card is working. Here is a cross. But whatever, hit a continue button. Is done. Connect to a network. You can connect. Here is back. You see network. That SIM card is perfect. So this is the way you can insert a SIM card to your Honor Magic7 Lite version of cellular phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.